Азыр экинчи объектти баштадык. Sorry. Экинчи объект баштадык. Эки айылдан кийин бул айылга келдик. Бул айылдагылар ошол туристтер менен иштешет. Туристтерге эшектерди мингизип, эшекте турларды кылып беришет экен.
That nice lady will give a brief introduction and present herself.
Hello. Also mein Englisch ist jetzt nicht so super.
Sonst helfen wir.
Aber
Nein problem.
so, hello, welcome.
Not good?
My name is Sarah.
Сара дейт атым.
So what I offer to tourists is
Туристтерге
donkey walks.
эшек менен,
Riding, but
эшектер менен,
with the donkeys. And the
эшек
donkeys
минбейт экен.
carry the
Эшектер
picnic,
менен чогуу
the
саякатташат экен. Эшектерге жүктөрүн коюп алып.
all the stuff you need if you are walking.
Эшеги жаман чоң бул. Ат менен эле тең.
Show you the saddles.
Азыр ээрлерин көргөзөм дейт эшектерин. Эшектердин ээрлерин көргөзөм дейт. Ана токумдар экен. Отун аябай көп го.
This is a pack saddle. Yeah, the donkey take this pack saddle, and then you can have, well, things like that on the sides, and you can put things in.
Ушул сумкалардын ичине майда чүзүлөрүн салып алып, элдери эшекти жетелеп алып, эшекке жүктөрүн коюп алып,
Children, which weigh less
жаш
than 30
балдарын деле
kilos, can sit on donkeys.
30 килограммдан эмес болсо, жаш баланын салмагы эшекте минип алса
Good for carrying very
болот дейт.
heavy loads. So the people come and we go to the donkeys, and we can do that if you want.
In our country, donkeys carry about 60 kilos.
Yeah. Depends on the donkey.
Yeah.
And depends usually on how long do you
Yes.
want the donkey to live.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's true.
It's very easy. Of course, this donkey can carry 60 kilos, but maybe it will not be 30 years, but only 15 years.
50 years, eh?
15.
Here.
Good. Okay, so are there people who want to have contact to a donkey? This is what German people want. The people come to me not because they want to walk 20 kilometers, but they come because they love donkeys, and they want to have near contact to the donkey and to be with it for one day, and to know everything about the donkey. So this is the most important thing. The donkeys must be friendly to people. They must be happy to have contact to people, and yes, and of course you have to be very nice to the donkeys too. What the people don't want is that you hit the donkey or something like that. So the donkeys are trained very well, so they understand what we want them to do without any hitting or something like this. Yeah.
And who comes to your place? Who are the most visitors?
Well, Berlin, of course, is very important. I would say 60% of the people come from Berlin, and like 20 come from our regional guests, and 20% from other not countries, but
Provinces.
provinces. Yeah.
And then more
Excuse me? How many what?
the season. When, also,
Ach so, my season. My season is the whole year. Yeah. Yes, in winter also, but in winter I don't offer 1 day, but 2 hours. No, because you can have a very nice winter walk for 2 hours, but you won't go the whole day because you can't stop because it's too cold.
And how much it costs?
No. How much it costs 1 day for? I have my prices are not per person, but for 1 to 5 persons, it's for 1 day, 236 euro.
236.
Yeah.
Dat is zo.
So
What it includes?
it includes 2 donkeys, me as a guide, and all and my expertise and my time.
And how many donkeys do you have?
I have 15 animals in completely. 15. Yes, but I have also donkeys. I have in total I have 25 animals, because some people they give the donkeys to me. They pay money for me to take care of them. So I have 15 of my own and 10 of other people who let them stay here and give money to me.
So this 266 includes 1 day trip with you.
Yeah.
And 2 donkeys.
Yeah.
And the food?
Be-
No,
before
lunch maybe,
yeah,
or no?
before Corona, you could order also a picnic, food by for 10 euro per person, and then I was organizing it. Yeah, only.
What do you do? How is the process? You take these 2 donkeys and group. Where you go?
To the national park. Well, 1 day in the national park here, which is just beginning here in the end of the village, and I also can carry them with the trailer to Brodowin, where you come from.
They don't take by themselves. They don't ride this donkey.
No, I don't offer any donkey riding. Do you? You cannot come out. Jule. So if you want to be dry, we can go into the. Should we go inside? Because it's starting to rain. So what else? Well, the most important thing about the thing is that the people love the animals. So you have to be very nice with the animals. Yeah, you cannot have bad treating or bad to very thin animals or something. The animals must be healthy. They must be happy. They must be friendly, and they must be well cared. So this is what the people want, logically. Yeah. So I teach them to walk with the donkey. Yeah, it's not me who's walking the donkey, but it's the people. This is what they want to do and what they learn.
Remember yesterday, Hans' own experience?
This donkey from where?
From where?
Yeah.
Well, I bought them in Germany. It's very difficult to buy good donkeys in Germany, actually, because there are no breeders. So you have to buy them mostly from private persons and have some expertise. Yeah.
In our country it's free. The donkeys are free now, region where I live.
Free?
Yes,
How?
in our village.
No,
What-
the
what do you
person is buying
Just run
them.
around the donkeys or what?
Everywhere donkeys.
No.
But it's small, not like. Is it a really
Wait.
donkey or is it mix it with something?
This is a donkey. Has long ears, huh?
No.
Not only long ears, it's big, very big.
Yes,
not it's not.
Who eat donkey?
It's not. Well, you are talking about mule now.
Is it really a donkey?
Yes, it is a donkey. And a donkey can be 1 meter or it can be 1 meter 50.
Of course,
50.
Yeah, this one is 1 meter 38.
1 meter 38.
Yeah.
It's not assimilated with
Little bit.
No,
pure
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
different animals. It's mule, yeah. Mule.
no, it's a donkey.
It's mule.
And if you take a mule,
It's our donkey. It's I am in the mountain.
oh, very nice.
We have smaller ones.
Touch it.
Yeah.
I am in trekking. We pick up water for the group and then riding.
Very nice. So how old is a donkey? In which country do you come from?
Tajikistan.
And how old is a donkey?
How old what?
How old can a donkey in Tajikistan be?
А,
How old can it be?
сколько живут хары? 7 till 10. 7 till 10.
10 years?
Yeah.
And then it dies, or what?
Yeah. They become old.
Uh-huh.
How old these ones?
Well, a normal donkey can have 30 to 40 years.
30 to 40.
Yes, yes, yes. The small donkeys, they easily get 30 years, up to 40. But of course, they don't have to carry too much. So this is what.
Our is working too hard there.
Yes, of course.
Because
This is
there is mountain.
yeah. This is what I say.
Poor terrain.
Yeah.
The
Have you had any donkey that lived until 40 or 30 years?
Oh yes. One donkey here is 30 years or more from this ones here.
Which one?
The brown one. Emmy. Emmy. Emmy, come mal her. Emmy, komm mal. Ja. Emmy, komm mal raus, komm. Emmy, komm. Komm mal her. Komm. Komm mal raus, komm. Hopp. Komm. Geh mal, hopp. Geh mal raus. This is 30 or more.
Wow.
Of course, it's old. Yes. It's not working anymore, of course. But it's the normal age that a donkey can reach.
And how do you advertise your tours?
Well, I have almost only a website.
Okay.
Nothing else. I have.
With Accommodations, like with the tourist information?
Well, I must be a member of the tourist information because I'm a official national park partner, and one of the criteria is that you have to be there. But it's not. And I have also on Reiseland Brandenburg. I'm on that website, but
But mainly on the website, people find
yeah,
you.
yeah, genau.
Like having a good website.
Yeah, it's a good website. If you Google donkey walking or something, you always get my website.
And your website is ski.
No, my website is Packeseltouren-Brandenburg.
Oh, you think we're a member?
Visit card. You have your visit card.
No, I have no visiting card. I have no flyer. I have nothing.
Only website.
Yeah.
Perfect. That's what we do also.
Yeah, yeah.
You have to be good.
So we have
ranking,
to give Emmy some food. One second.
GDR.
Bitteschön.
They're meant to know that,
This Eşek looks like
So usually if
people come per year. How many guests do you have?
I don't know how many guests, but I'm from, I would say from April to October in this month, I have like 3 or 4 walkings a week.
Per week. Wow.
Yes, and I can't do more because I have to take care of the animals too. Because I'm almost working alone. I have one person who helps for like 40 hours a month.
Student.
No, not a student. Somebody who lives here near, and mainly doing things which are that are very hard for me to do, or where you need 2 persons. And mostly I do things on my own, so I couldn't walk every day, no? Because I have to
Why you don't hire somebody who will do it?
to do the walkings.
Yeah.
You wouldn't find anybody.
Why?
Okay.
Because it's very difficult to find somebody who is good with the tourists and good with the animals.
True.
That's I wouldn't have found anyone up to now. And actually I like to do it. I mean, why shouldn't I do it?
Did you
your
apply
passion.
student programs where students come and stay here 3 months to practice their German with you?
I sometimes have volunteers, but I don't advertise. Sometimes people ask, and then I say, okay. Yeah. Genau.
It's a good thing if somebody from outside another country will come to practice his German and help you.
Yeah.
What is the
It will
father
be
of this?
exchange like
What is what?
Father of what? This one?
This is how do you say in English?
Pellets?
Ja, das ist besonders fettreiches Futter.
Very greasy, a lot of nutrition.
Because she's old.
And what made you set up the donkey tour?
Actually, the donkeys, I wouldn't be able to have enough money if I only would do the tours. Okay? So what the donkeys also do, they do grazing, nature conservation grazing, in the national park. They graze on dry grassland, and so I get. I'm a was heißt Landwirtschaftsbetrieb schon wieder?
Like an agricultural.
Well, I'm an agricultural company or what? So I get all this agricultural money from the EU and from the Land Brandenburg for
Subsidies.
grazing special nature conservation areas. So these 2 things together is fine.
So 4 tours a week make not. It's not beneficial enough.
Da kannst du ja rechnen. Das sind netto 200 € am Tag. Wie weit willst du da kommen?
Mit den Tieren, klar.
Ja.
4,000 euro per month, like this.
Yeah. But the problem is that the animals cost a lot of. Yeah.
Und das ist auch nicht jeden Tag, ne? Oder
Na, ich sage ja, so 3-4 Tage die Woche kannst du rechnen.
It's also not possible to have another employee because it was just not.
Yeah, it wouldn't be very sensible.
How much you spend for 1 month for feeding?
I don't know. I don't care.
Good.
Well,
You
I-
don't like
that-
calculations also.
I have 40 hectare dry grassland. I have to pay money for having it per year, and most of the time the donkeys are on the grassland. But of course, in the winter, you can see over there is the hay for the winter. I have to buy it. I can't do it for myself because on the dry grassland you can't make hay. Ja, Tilda, das kannst du jetzt nicht kriegen. Ja.
What do they want? To want to eat?
Yes, they want the food.
So you also do guiding and take donkeys with you, yeah? You are also guide kind of, yeah?
Yes, I'm a Natur- und Landschaftsführer.
Nature guide.
Nature guide.
Yeah, yeah. Genau. And so I'm a guide to tell my tourists everything about donkeys and everything about nature and birds and plants and whatever and how the national park works and how the biosphere reserve works and all this. So I have many income sources, which is the donkey walks, which is the Pensionsesel.
Pension donkeys, so the people who have their donkeys here, they're not
They
their
pay
own,
for
but
it.
they're
Yeah.
not paid for.
The grazing, and then you can also sleep here in the hay.
Hey,
At the attic, right?
Well, the Heuboden is on the other side, but for example, people love to sleep in this. You can see it in the Ackerwagen, and there's also on top of the stable. There's also a room with a bed, so people can sleep very simple.
That's interesting.
How much it costs to sleep in the hay?
Oh, not much. 12 euro a night. Here, you can come in. Yeah, of course. So you can. Well, normally this is not here normally. Normally there's only hay, and people sleep inside of this.
No blanket, nothing? Or
Oh, of course, with a sleeping bag or with, of course.
So
And you sleep
usually
very well here.
This mattress is not here.
No,
You just sleep
no.
on the hay, yeah?
Yes, they sleep on the hay. You can do it outside.
Experience. No problem. You can help you.
Yeah, can put it outside. So. Yes. This is very comfortable, and you sleep very well.
Bracing is good, I think, here. Bracing is very easy.
Nice experience.
Yeah.
And you have also this one in your stable, yeah?
This one? No. I have also. This is mineral food.
Water. For what?
For the donkeys, of course. Everything is for the donkeys. This is but you need calcium, magnesium.
Use the milk of the donkey?
No. You would. Yeah, but you need foals if you want milk.
Milk, yeah.
Yeah.
But
So
meat also, yeah? People don't eat, yeah?
no, if this is what these tourists wouldn't like.
You should also try to give the milk to the tourists.
How much do they pay to sleep there, or that's for free?
No, this is 12 euro a night.
12 euros a night. See? Sleeping in a hay, 12 euros a night. That's like $15
Yeah.
for doing nothing.
somebody wants 2-3 nights or only one night they use this one. How
They
many
usually one night or two nights.
nights,
Yeah.
or 2 nights also.
Sometimes.
It's just this one
Then-
experience,
no,
right?
for example, people want to have the donkey walk on Saturday, so they come on Friday, sleep here, and then have the walk on Saturday, and then sometimes they stay until Sunday or they leave in the evening.
How many